I have some king oyster mushrooms. You can also use trumpet mushrooms for this recipe. You just want to clean them thoroughly and then cut off the tops. Then go ahead and slice them. Slice them as thin as you can because they will cook and be more tender. I've sliced them, but I would recommend you slice them a little bit thinner. Then you want to put them on a grill pan. You can also put them on your grill or barbecue pit. I've coated them on both sides with grapeseed oil and seasoned them with a little bit of sea salt, cayenne pepper, a little bit of oregano, and you just want to grill it for about 4 minutes per side. And then here I had some pasta that I attempted to make, but you can use any ready-made pasta. And I'm adding the pasta to a pot of mushroom broth, and I'll have a recipe for the mushroom broth in the description box below. And here I have it in my pot. I have it with some bell peppers, some onions. I've added in a little bit of seasoning such as oregano, thyme. I've also added some basil to this. And I'm just cooking it through with a little bit of chopped portobello mushroom until the pasta is tender. Then I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of spelt flour, which I didn't show in this video, but you want to stir in your spelt flour. And then I've gone ahead and diced up my mushrooms, and here they are looking kind of like chicken strips. And then you want to go ahead and add that to the pot with the rest of your ingredients and let it cook until your sauce is thick. And there you have it.